Are you ready to have some fun?
Go for it.
It's a lot of fun. Do you like roller coasters?
Love roller coasters and I love speed.
All right, cool. If at any point if you feel uncomfortable, just do this right here and let me know that you want me to slow down. Yes, sir. So that squeaky that you're hearing, those are the brakes.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with them.
No.
We have racing brake pads with a lot of metal in them, and until they get really hot, they squeal.
Yep.
All right. So you can hear it. I love the way this car downshifts for you.
Quick. Oh, hell yeah.
Watch this.
Woo!
So that's 75 miles an hour.
Okay.
110. I mean, this thing's like barely breaking a sweat. This is my favorite corner in the whole track. Did you have fun?
Oh, that was fun. That was fun.
Was it worth it?
Oh, yes.
Did
Now
I go
know
fast enough for you?
Oh, I could do faster.